Hello, in front of me I have LENOVO Carme 2 and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the vibration on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, simply tap on the screen. After you wake up the screen, swipe right on the screen to open the menu. Then swipe up to scroll down, find the settings option and tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, let's scroll down and find the shake option. And as you can see now it's enabled because it says on, and you can disable it by tapping on it like that. Then it will say off, and if it's off you can enable it by tapping on it like that. And once you're done, swipe right on the screen, then left like that to go back to watch face. And that's how you turn on or off the vibrations on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.